Ready to cook up some delicious meals with your new air fryer? We'll help you get started. First, remove all packaging and any temporary tape from the air fryer.
Wash the basket and crisper plate in the dishwasher.
Now that all your packaging and temporary tape has been removed, we're going to take it for a quick test run. Preheat your air fryer by pressing the preheat button and then adjust your temperature and time using the plus/minus keys. Then press start pause. When preheating is done, your air fryer will beep 3 times. Now you can place your food into the basket. Select the cooking function that works best for your meal by pressing the button once. After choosing a cooking function, you can adjust the temperature and time if desired. You can also add a shake reminder by pressing the shake button. This will create a beep reminder and let you know when to shake or flip your food halfway through cooking. After your meal is done, cleanup is just as simple. Unplug your air fryer and let it cool completely.
Wash the basket and crisper plate in the dishwasher or with hot soapy water and a non-abrasive sponge. If needed, wipe the outside of the air fryer with a moist cloth. Now you're ready to enjoy meal after meal in your air fryer.